Okay, question number 35, which is from computer theory of computation. Consider the following language. They have given four language. Which of the following languages are context free? So we know the characteristics of context free, like if a language can be compared once, that is if it can be implemented by one stack, then it is context free language. So look at uh, language number 1. Here the language is given and the condition is m plus p equal to n plus q, where m and p q greater than 0. So this thing can be written as m minus n equal to q minus p. So it is like m minus n minus q minus p. So if we take a stack here, like we will get, like first we will push a to the power, we will push a. Okay, we will push a. After pushing the a, we will push, we will pop the, at the time of pushing b, we will pop the a. Okay, so how much time we will pop the a until we will finish the b. So we will get the difference of get the difference of a and b, that is m minus n. After that we will push c, and in the same manner we will pause, we will pop c at when we will push d. So we will get the difference of q minus p. So this can be implemented in one stack. So this is context free language. Now option now 2, that is m equal to n and q equal to p. So we will like first we will compare a and b, then we will compare c and d. So this is clearly a context free language. The next is m equal to n equal to p. So here two comparison is needed in one stack. So this is not possible. So 3 is not a context free. After that mn, that is multiplication, and p plus q. So p plus q, so we have to add p and q. After that we will calculate mn and we have to compare. So this cannot be done in one stack. So only 1 and 2 is the context free language. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you.